Hello, it's Teresa in the teen department, Pulaski County Public Library. Today's activity, we're looking at a desk organizer made out of recycled material. The recycled material would be paper towel tubes, toilet paper tubes, and this bottom part where you see here is just like cardstock paper that has pattern on it. Of course, you can use whatever you want to do that. It doesn't have to be that. What we've done is took a toilet paper roll. I've cut a slot in the top, so I just got like little notepad in there, and just different sizes. This taller one is paper towel holder. I have cut down just a little bit, and this one right here is also behind the pins is also paper towel holder that I've done in different sizes. And just, you can use it to put pens, magic markers, scissors, that sort of thing. What I did, I just painted the outside with just some acrylic paint, and then I put washi tape around the top, but you can draw on it, you can use magic markers, you can, whatever you want to do with your organizer. And then I took, I glued these together. I used like a glue gun for that, and I glued all these together so they would stay together. And then I took them, set them on as a set onto the paper, and then use the glue gun again to just glue them onto the paper. And so that's just real simple. Didn't take very long to do, and you could do it however you see fit. Draw on it, whatever, like I said. Very easy to do. A little desk organizer. Thank you.